Okay, Max Air. Here we go. Big Daddy's on there, aka Brian, aka Pete. I got on last night, and it was awesome. Awesome. All right, I'll try to get the whole, so that you can have the whole experience. Uh-oh, I can hear Pete. Wow. Wow. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers on the Max Air screaming like babies. Nice. Wow. Sweet. And the descending is almost complete. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, on to the next one. Bye.